Hello and welcome to my tutorial on redstone gates, and I'm just going to show you through each of the basic gates. And we start with a just simple gate, which is any power source of some sort, which just leads to something such as a piston or a door. The second is the NOT gate, which is the exact opposite. So when it's off, the thing that it's turning on is on, but when it's on, the thing that it's turning on is off. This is an OR gate, which basically means either can turn it on, and so can both. And then this is an AND gate, which you can't have one doing it, you have to have both doing it. And then this is a NAND gate, which is almost exactly the same as an AND gate. It's just you start with these being off and these being on, since there's redstone torch here and not one there, which means it's essentially an OR gate. A lock, which means you have to do it in a certain order. Turn it on, which means in this case you need to turn this one on. Like, you can't turn it on by doing that one first. And the XOR gate, which means they're completely independent of each other. Like, as you can see, I can turn it on with this one and turn it off with that one. And then I'll go back to the start and show you how to make them. So, just the normal gate is very simple. You just need your power source, redstone leading to whatever you want to turn on. NOT gate is exactly the same, but for example, if it's a button or a lever, I suggest using one of those because you need a redstone torch on the other side. An OR gate means you can use either of them, which just basically means it's a normal gate, but you're going to have two places which you can turn it on at. An AND gate is it's the same as an OR gate, but where they join together, you need two redstone torches and one in the middle, which should be raised up from it. And from your two power sources, in between the redstone torches, there should be some redstone dust. And again, on that piece of redstone in the middle, there should be an off redstone torch below it, leading to the power source. And then a NAND gate is exactly the same, just without this torch, which means it's basically inverted, which means it's basically the same as an OR gate, but it works with one on. Lock means, as you can see, it shows this is very simple. You just need a direction going, two repeaters going in the same direction, but a repeater facing straight onto a repeater, which means you can't join that repeater onto that repeater. But if you do, as I said before, do that, then you can have it on its own. And then an XOR gate is the hardest to build, and you start by using the thing from the AND gate, but just putting that at the start. So you have redstone torch, redstone dust in the middle, redstone torch, and then you add another block next to the one in the middle, leading to whatever you want to turn on or off. And there you have a redstone torch. And also, on below the other two redstone torches in the direction of what you want to turn on or off is two more redstone torches. And then, to connect this redstone torch to that redstone torch, and that redstone torch to that redstone torch, you put these two pieces of redstone dust, which then both carry on to two more. And they will link on to one piece in the middle, which will work it. And since this is so complicated, I'm just going to show one on, which, as you can see, it makes this one turn off. And then that's the same, it just blocks off this one, and that one becomes on. And then if I do this, then they're all out except for these two, which basically is exactly the same, but everything that was off is now on, and everything that is on is now off. And just before I stop, I think my NAND gate is wrong, so check some other thing for that. But otherwise, that's it. I hope this has been helpful for you, and this is really all you need to make a really great machine in Minecraft. There are more gates, like a toggle flip-flop, and clock circuits, which I might show, but they're a bit more complex. They're not hard, unlike the XOR gate, but they are a bit more complex. So I might show them later, but this I hope has been helpful to you, and I might make another one in the series. So I hope this again was informative. Please like and maybe even subscribe, and thank you for watching.